A big chill Monday and Tuesday, the coldest weather we've had since February. It's going to be a big drastic transition from our spring-like warmth we had today with a record high at the airport at 85 into these kind of temperatures. So winter cold returning pretty abruptly Monday and Tuesday, although tomorrow will be cooler. Not cold just yet, though. The big thing is wind chills Monday morning, like I was saying, with those feels like temperatures mainly in the 30s, maybe a few upper 20s north. And then Tuesday, the bigger thing transitions to a frost or freeze because the actual air temperatures will be low as opposed to Monday, where the wind will be helping to make it feel so cold. So bundle up, protect pets, plants, and people. Those are the things you need to think about. This is not pipe bursting weather, but it will be the first freeze or frost for a lot of spots. Here is the front out to the north, and it's coming our way. It's moving in tonight. So this is the new information tonight. You can see it might drum up a shower or two, but we're not expecting a lot of rain. This would probably be all early before sunrise. Very slight chance for a shower early in the day on Sunday, and then the clouds decrease as that front moves in. And the upper atmosphere is going to be driving this with cold air off to the north, and we've been waiting for it. Here it comes. This trough dips all the way down and kind of swings out here to bring this cold air all the way far south to our part of the Gulf Coast. Not so today. I was sweating outside. It was super sunny. Our temperatures made it into the 80s in a lot of spots, and that tied today's record high at the airport of 85 from 1986. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. Not as warm as today, but also not super cold. It should actually be a beautiful day. Lots of sunshine, temperatures around 70 through the afternoon. And then we start to see the drop off in the evening of temperatures, but still only in the 50s for the evening and early nighttime hours. And it will also be breezy with those winds up to about 10 to 18 miles per hour and a few higher gusts near 20 plus miles per hour. So as that wind picks up Sunday night, here we go with the wind chills Monday morning. I mean, this is some pretty cold feeling air, as we will have temperatures pretty chilly Monday morning. Air temperatures upper 30s to lower 40s. But factoring in the wind, that's why we have mostly 30s all across our area for the wind chill. Now we'll jump ahead to Tuesday, and I was saying by Tuesday, the bigger thing, the bigger focus will be the actual air temperatures. That wind will slack off, but our colder air will be settling in, and temperatures will be able to drop to maybe upper 20s to around 30 north of the lake, around 40 for the city and the actual metro area of New Orleans. But away from the city, look at Belle Chase, maybe getting to about 32, Homa and places around Thibodaux, possibly getting into the light freeze range, 32 or below. So again, the big cold weather impacts for Monday, this teal color is showing a little bit of frost possible. I don't know if we're actually going to see that because you don't get frost settling when you have strong winds. And Monday morning, we will have the strong wind. So just a low chance of that on Monday. But check it out. By Tuesday morning, we're looking at the purple areas indicating freeze conditions, not the pipe bursting freezing kind of weather. That would be pink outside of our area farther into Mississippi, but frost possible even far south toward the coast. So we are looking for a big chill. I'm going to put up our 7 days so you can make your plans as you get through the next couple of days. It's going to be a big temperature plummet, a big drop off tomorrow night and into Monday. So 30s to 40s for the air temperatures Monday morning, but I was saying we'll be feeling more like about freezing north and feeling like 30s south of the lake easily. Monday should be a really nice afternoon. The sun will come out, or the sun will be out, and we'll have temperatures in the 50s for highs. So that is well below the average in the 70s right now. And then Tuesday is that cold morning again. Air temperatures south of the lake around 40, but north maybe 10 degrees or so lower than that. So comparing today's 85 to Monday's 56, we're talking about a near 30-degree temperature drop coming up by Monday, but it's a quick cool down because we're warming right back up at the middle of next week.